Hi, my name is Ishant Gawli. I am from class 10. My school name is Savitribai Phule English Medium School, Moshi. My subject teacher is Tithi Das. I am here to give information about sea waves and coastal landforms. Let's start. Sea waves and coastal landform. Introduction. Sea waves are movements of water on the surface of oceans and seas mainly caused by wind. These waves continuously hit the coast and change the shape of the land near the sea. The landforms created by the action of sea waves are called coastal landforms. Sea waves are moving water in oceans and seas, mostly caused by wind. These waves keep hitting the seashore and slowly changes the shape of the land near the sea. The different shape of land formed by sea waves are called coastal landforms. Sea waves perform work of erosion. Waves wear away rocks and cliffs along the coast. Deposition. Waves deposit sand and sediments on the shore. Erosion means the wearing away or cutting of land by water, wind, or waves. And deposition means the settling or dropping of sand, soil, and small stones in one place by water, wind, or wave. Land created by sea waves. Erosion landforms. Sea cliffs. Steep rocks near the sea. Sea caves. Holes in rock made by waves. Sea arches. Arch-shaped rock openings. Stacks. Tall rocks left after arches. There there are photo of coastal landform formed by erosion. It is explained very clearly that how sea cliffs, sea caves, sea arches, sea stacks are being formed. Deposition landforms. Beaches, sand collected near the sea. Sandbars, long deposits of sand. Spits, narrow sand attached to the coast. There is a picture of coastal landform formed by deposition. Now I am going to give you some. The beaches of Goa are famous coastal landforms formed by deposition. The Doodle Door in England is a famous example of a sea arch. Marina Beach is an example of a beach formed by waves deposition. Man-made disaster management. People of Mumbai has solved the problem of deposition by placing the big stones at the Marine Drive, which has been helpful to the people living at the Mumbai Marine Drive, and it is useful to absorb the impact of powerful waves. There is a picture of Marine Drive. Natural disaster management. In the modern world, there is a naturally built defense line which is called mangrove. In Marathi, it is called as Kharfuti Van आणि Kandal Van, which protects from high sea level and floods. It is currently present at Konkan Marine Line. There is a picture of that natural disaster management. Conclusion. Sea waves play an important role in shaping coastal areas through erosion and deposition. They create many beautiful and useful coastal landforms around the world. Sea waves change the shape of coastal area by cutting and depositing sand. They form many different coastal land forms. According to me, this is the information about sea waves and coastal landform. Thank you.